All right, guys, this is the first CPU we're going to do in this series. It's the 3600. As you can see off eBay, right, I got it for $45 before taxes and shipping. Pretty good deal. As you can see right here, they say missing parts, broken CPU in the subject line. But as you can see in the video, I will. So what I'm trying to see right here is just trying to see if there's any bent pins or any missing pins. I mean, I know there are bent pins, any missing pins. If there are no missing pins, I should be able to bend any pins back to service. So that's what I'm looking for right here now, going through all the photos. As you can see from what I saw, I didn't really see any bent pins, maybe on the corner. That's what happens with these M4 CPUs. So as I'm looking for no major damage, as you can see, most of the prices on eBay for this CPU is around 70 to 80 bucks. A few outliers out there, $30, $20. I think these must be broken CPUs with missing pins. And as you see again, good deal. So I think I got a good deal. Might have paid $10 too much. So as you can see, the first broken pin right here, it's in the corner. On the end right there, we're going to try to fix that one. And I think I maybe counted 4 or 5 pins that I straightened out to get this CPU back to work. So right here, we're bending one. A little struggle, trying to get it with the pliers. As you can see, there's some lint on it as well. Now I'm trying to get this one. I just turned it to a different angle. It's the same pin. You can see, just trying to get that pin to come in. Working it with the needle nose tweezers that I have. And I'm doing a gentle pin. Because full disclosure, I've broken 2 3600Xs I had. Because I snapped pins off. But I was trying to do it without a microscope. The microscope is a big plus. It makes the job easier to do. If you guys are interested in bending CPUs back. As you can see, I just gentle bend back. I mean, I don't have to give them 100% aligned to original position for the CPU to work. So I'm just trying to get the pins that are really bent the worst. And once again, sometimes I use the back of the tweezers, just do a gentle push. As you can see right here. As we're doing the gentle push, the CPUs are coming back in line. Now we're going to scan the motherboard on the CPU again for more bent pins. And we found another one right here, slightly bent. As you can see, I'm using the pliers to do a gentle bend, gentle push back of the CPU to get it back in line with the others. Now we're going to just keep doing a gentle bend so I get it straightened back up. This is easy work if you take your time and have a little patience. Now we're going to do a little montage as I do the rest of the CPUs. Enjoy the montage. All right, now let's get into the PC build. Enjoy the massage again. So mark some games right now, a few games that I have, and then we also benchmark pass mark. All right, thanks for watching my first video on buying broken pins off eBay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next one. Have a good day.